Rectangle. What color is it?
Oh, red.
Red rectangle. Good girl.
A circle.
Where's the circle? There it is.
I got a circle.
What color is the circle?
Orange.
Orange. Very good.
I got a
What's that?
square.
What color is the square?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. What's that?
Oval.
What color is the oval?
Green.
Good girl.
Dragon.
Turn it the other way.
No. No. Let's go this way.
Good job. You did it all by yourself. What's that?
Rectangle.
Not a rectangle.
It's a rectangle.
There's the rectangle. What's that one?
Triangle.
Very good. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Good girl.
Did it.
You did it.
I got a rectangle.
Okay. Can you put the rectangle on? Turn it the other way.